Welcome to the Python 2026 series. Today, we are going to demystify one of the most interesting concepts in Python, closures. You might have heard the phrase, functions with memory before. That is exactly what we are going to explore. By the end of this video, you will understand how functions can remember data even after they finish running. Before we dive in, let's quickly refresh our memory on scope. In Python, we have global scope and local scope. Variables defined outside are global and can be seen everywhere, but variables defined inside a function are local. They usually vanish once the function finishes. Understanding this boundary is key to understanding closures. The next building block is nested functions. Python allows you to define a function inside another function. In this example, the function inner is defined inside outer. This inner function is hidden from the rest of the world and can only be used inside the outer function. It's like a secret helper. Now here is the magic rule, lexical scoping. The inner function has access to the variables of its parent function. Even though message is not inside inner, the inner function can reach out and grab it. It looks for the variable locally first, and if it can't find it, it looks in the enclosing scope. So, what exactly is a closure? It is not just the function itself. A closure is the combination of a function bundled together with its surrounding environment. This allows the function to access those outer variables even after the outer function has completely finished executing. Think of it as a snapshot of the data at that moment. How do we achieve this? Instead of calling the inner function immediately, we return it. Look at the code here. We return the function object inner without the parentheses. When we assign this to a new variable, like myfunc, that variable now holds the function plus the data it needs to run, like the hello message. I like to use the backpack analogy. Imagine the inner function is a hiker. When it leaves the outer function's house, it takes a backpack with it. Inside that backpack are all the variables it needs from the outer scope. Wherever that function goes in your code, it carries this backpack of data with it. That backpack is the closure. Let's see a real example. Here we have a make multiplier function. It takes a number, factor, and returns a new function that multiplies numbers by that factor. We can create a doubler that remembers the number 2 and a tripler that remembers the number 3. They are the same function logic, but they carry different memories. Why should you care? Closures are powerful for data hiding. They let you hide variables so they can't be touched by the global scope. They are also perfect for function factories, like we just saw, and they are the secret machinery behind Python decorators, which are used everywhere in modern Python frameworks. To wrap up, nested functions can see outer variables. A closure is that function plus its preserved environment. It allows functions to have memory and persist data between calls. This is a fundamental concept that will take your Python skills to the next level. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.